next song is written by John's cousin, who used to be the lead guitar player in Willie Nelson's band for about 40 years, all right? And so anyway, his name's Mike Bush. Anyway, next song here is called Whiskey River. Whiskey River, drowning in the memories of love. All the days when you're going out my mind, cold heart oh, it's scary, I think my mind. Don't let the memories torture me. Whiskey River, don't die. Oh, it's scary, I take my mind. Don't let a memory torture me. Whiskey River, don't dry. Back here, Kenny Gang on the drums, ladies and gentlemen.